bumagsak, tumalon, dinakot, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mot, pasok sa kalawang palika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, dinakot, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal. Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag
Isa nga tatlong laro. Isa tatlong laro. Long time no see ah.
Muli magandang umaga mga ka-Velvet. We are back to the ball game. 14 on the division matchup sa pagitan ng Senden Boys at ng LYDO. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Devades. Sorry, that's De Rojas for that big three. First matchup natin para sa ating 14 under is San and Boys laban sa LYDO. Matatawagan dito ng first personal and first team foul, jersey number 0, Martinez. Jersey number 26 fires, no good. We have jersey number 9 with a lay. Layup is good for Samadan for that run. We have a foul. Foul on GC number 4. Matatawagan dito si Tige. First personal and second team foul para sa LYDO. Sending Renegado on the free throw line. First shot, no good. Second shot for Renegado is good. And for our first deadlock of the game, for our first quarter, all four. Martinez. Siu. Here's number 14. Gets that foul. Jersey number 19, first personal and first team foul for Lata. Martinez. Martinez with 5 on the shot clock. Gets that foul. Matatawagan dito jersey number 8. First personal and second team foul. Shot clock will be reset at 4:18. Salazar to Martinez to jersey number 9. 2 points. Two points for Samadan on the draw, and then Rojas with an answer, no good. Matatapik ni Plata, ball will stay with LYDO. Salazar. That's the ball to Samadan. Samadan recovers. 5 seconds to shoot. Martinez! 3 points. A big 3-point shot by jersey number 0, Martinez. But he will get a foul. Martinez with a second personal early on this quarter. De Rojas gives the ball to Plata. Plata converts that to point. Plata with that rebound. Really securing that ball para dito sa Senten Boys. And De Rojas will get that foul. Foul for jersey number 4. Tige for his second personal foul and warning for penalty. Dalawang bata na dito ng LYDO ang may 2 personal fouls early on our ball game. May matatawagan ulit dito para sa koponan ng LYDO. Foul on jersey number 11, Madarang. First personal and will force LYDO into a penalty. Sending back Renegado on the free throw line. No basket for Renegado on that first throw. Renegado gets that second basket. Score is now on 9-7, and De Rojas with a steal. Gives the ball to Plata. Plata tied that game. All 9. Sa bakbakan sa pagitan ng Senten at ng LYDO, Salazar. Salazar on the letter, gets that point. De Rojas to Jose. De Rojas to rise at 3. The good. Jose, wala pa rin. Natapayan itong si Jose. Deada finds jersey number 14. Stepping on the line. That error by Salazar will give the ball back to Senten Boys. Out of bounds. Same error committed by De Rojas mula dito sa kupunan ng Senten Boys. Kaya mapapabalik ang bola sa LYDO. Ito Salazar. Salazar binigay kay Tige. Five seconds para dito kay Tige. Tige gets that buzzer. Bitter shot. Pero sasagot with a lay. De Rojas showing some skills with that shot. Salazar tries a long three, no good. Rebound will go to jersey number 9, no good. De Rojas on the leather. We have a steal by Deada. Deada wasn't able to convert that shot. De Rojas nagmamadali. De Rojas goes to coast, no good. Deada again, wala pa rin nakuha ni jersey number 5. Deada again, gets the basket with the foul. Sinong foul, pero foul on jersey number 3. Peña. First personal foul and 13 foul for Senten Boys. Deada with that bonus shot completes that 3-point opportunity. 5-point lead para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. Matatawagan dito si Lavadia ng first personal foul and penalty na dito ang LYDO. Sending Adarayan to the free throw line. First basket is good. Two for two para dito kay Adarayan, cutting the lead of LYDO into 3. Salazar on the leather. Deada with 5 seconds to shoot. Finds jersey number 24. No good. Nako dito ni Dimiandal. Gives the ball to De Rojas. That's too strong para kay De Rojas. And Salazar. What a pass. Kaso napalakas. Mapipilitan dito mapa-timeout ang Senten Boys. 16-13 ang score sa ating talaan. LYDO with a 3-point lead with 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Samadan. Dimandal. Recovered by Manalo. Lara with a spin. Committee timeout tayo, mga kaibigan. Manalo, and we have a steal by Salazar. Salazar gets that basket. LYDO was able to extend their lead to 7. And with that steal again by Samadan. Pero na-recover dito ng Senten Boys. Manalo. No good. Samadan to Deada. 2 points for Deada. Salazar with 2 points, extending the lead of LYDO to 11 at mapipituhan dito ng traveling violation ng Senten Boys. Salazar finds Deada. Samadan tries a 3. That's too strong for Samadan. Manalo finds Plata. Manalo with 8 to shoot. No good. Makuha dito ni jersey number 11 ang rebound. Last 23 seconds para sa ating first quarter bakbakan. Manalo with that ball. And we have a steal again by LYDO. The other recovers that ball. 5 seconds. No good. End of the first quarter, 26-15, 11-point lead.
Hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni
And we are back to the ball game. Second quarter. Bakbakan sa pagitan ng Senden Boys at netong LYDO. De Rojas opening that quarter with a 2 points. De Ada on that letter. The jersey number 24. Jersey number 15 for 3, no good. De Ada with that rebound. De Ada nakalusot, wala pa rin. Nakuha na itong Senten Boys. With De Rojas. That's too strong for De Rojas. Sending back the ball to LYDO. De Ada to Samadan. GC number 24 to GC number 30. No good. De Rojas to Monteron. Challenge again by LYDO. De Ada. Skosura to GC number 24. Napalakas kay Lavadia. De Rojas on the attack. Binigay kay Jose. A big 2 points by Jose, which will force LYDO into their timeout early on this quarter para sa LYDO.
Tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, liga, liga.
And we are back after that timeout by LYDO. Mga ka-Velvet, this is just a second game for today. Ang next matchup natin para sa ating 14 under division will be YMCA versus SCBA. Kasunod yan ng nitong bakbakan sa pagitan ng Senten at ng LYDO. And De Rojas is on the free throw line para dito sa Senten Boys. First shot for De Rojas is good. Second shot is good for De Rojas, cutting the lead of LYDO to 7. De Rojas on the move. That's too strong for De Rojas. Jose on the follow-up. Wala pa rin Jose again. Miscommunication with Lopez, but Lopez was able to deliver. Yan, magandang umaga sa isa sa main man ng Barangay Santa Monica, San Pablo, Mr. Giro David. LYDO will be forced to deploy Abino sa loob de Rojas. Senten Boys was able to cut the lead off. LYDO now cutting the lead down to 3. With that run mula dito sa Senten Boys. Good defense dito ni De Rojas against Escosura. Jersey number 7 answering, but wala. We have a steal by Escosura and gets that basket. Jose with a big 2-point by Mr. Jose. De Ada Samadan, binigay Escosura, then back to De Ada. Garcia fires, no good. Lopez is fouled. Matatawagan dito si jersey number 15 Garcia ng foul. That's his second personal foul and second team foul for LYDO. Lopez now on the free throw line. First shot is good for Lopez. Second shot, wala, makukuha ni De Ada. Gives the ball to Salazar, but he will be fouled by GC number 9. Lopez for his first personal and first team foul. Now Lopez will go back to the bench. De-deploy na dito si GC number 19 Plata for Senten Boys. De Ada fires at 3. That's too strong. But Abino is there for the follow-up. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng LYDO. De Rojas answering. No good. And they add on that fast break. 2 points. De Rojas, the jersey number 3. That's too strong. Salazar with that powerful rebound. Salazar coast to coast and getting that point. Will De Rojas answered. It's too strong, but Plata was able to get that rebound. And we have a foul. Matatawagan dito si Abino ng kanyang first personal foul and 13 foul para sa LYDO. Plata gives the ball to jersey number 26. Another foul para dito sa upunan ng LYDO. Desam Cargar or Garcia gets that foul. Garcia for his third personal foul. Garcia Gargar, sorry. I thought it's Garcia. First personal foul and second team foul. Sending Abino on the free throw line. Gargaro will be in trouble here for LYDO because he's already on his third personal foul early too early for our ball game. We're just at the second quarter para sa ating bakbakan, but he already have 3 fouls. No good. Salazar with that rebound against 3 big men from Senten Boys. But Senten was able to steal the ball, and Plata was able to convert that steal into a point. 6-point lead ang inaalagaan dito ng LYDO. Martinez to Gargar. Stepping on the line para dito kay Plata. Gargar to Abinho to Diada. Fires a 3. No good. Salazar on that powerful rebound again. Martinez gets that big 3 points. Brought to you by GC number 0, Martinez. Diada natapik. Nakakuha na ni Martinez. Martinez, what a pass to Diada. Angat na sa 11 ang kalamangan dito ng LYDO Lescano. But we have a technical foul. Matatawagan dito ng technical foul si Deada. First personal foul for Deada, sending Lescano on the free throw line, but that technical shot is no good. Mananatili dito ang bola sa Senten Boys. Opportunity to cut the lead of LYDO. Here comes De Rojas. But we have a steal by Martinez. And gets a basket. Mapapatime out dito ang Senten Boys. And LYDO securing a big 13-point lead against Senten Boys.
Na pang hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga.
We are back to the ball game after that timeout by Senten Boys. Plata. Napalakas ang bato dito. Mapapunta sa LYDO ang bola. Deada. The cross court to Martinez. To Salazar. To Gargar. Salazar fires at 3. No good, but the other is there. Makikita natin hindi takot sumalaksak o rebound itong mga bata ng LYDO. Even though we can see that Senten Boys has this advantage when it comes to height. Yung mga bata ng LYDO is not afraid to challenge the rebounds against Senten Boys. Ipapahinga dito ng LYDO itong si Deada. which really contributed for their big 13-point lead against Senten Boys. Martinez mapapatabak dito sa ating linya, kaya naman mapapapunta sa Senten Boys ang ball possession. Pero Martinez babawi with that steal. Abinho gets that basket. Angat na sa 15 kalamangan nitong LYDO with 1 minute and 20 seconds. Another steal by Salazar. De Rojas gets that basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul on GC number 11. Matatawagan dito si Madarang. Bonus shot para dito kay De Rojas. De Rojas was able to complete that 3-point opportunity. Last 50 seconds para dito sa ating second quarter, and Martinez answers back with a big 3-point. De Rojas challenging two defenders. $30 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Tige Nakalasot gets that point. Last 18 seconds. 2 points by GC number 5. Last 10 seconds. Two seconds. And that's it for second quarter rather. LYDO still enjoy.
Basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, musas-mot, pasok sa kalawang panika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga Velvet D-League basketball liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pressure pag dinoble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang
Nins, Nina, sulatan natin mamaya yung sa girls. Yung gallery ng girls susulatan. Gallery. Po. Natin. We are back to the ball game, third quarter. Bakbakan sa pagitan ng Senten Boys at nitong LYDO. And a big 3-point by Madarang to open up our third quarter. Still at matatawagan dito si Martinez ng foul. That's his third personal foul and first team foul para dito sa LYDO. De Rojas on the attack, gives the ball to Jose. Salazar answering and challenging the big man of Senten Boys, De Rojas. No good. Martinez fires a three. That's too strong for Martinez. Nandun na ang big man ng Senten Boys. De Rojas will be fouled by Martinez. Is now in, that's his fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate na dito si Martinez. And LYDO will be forced to send him back to the bench and deploy the other back sa loob. And you can see Martinez is one of the key players here of LYDO. That's why they have a big 12-point lead at may mapipituhan ulit dito. Jersey number 4, Tige. That's third personal foul for Tige. And 13 foul for LYDO. Miscommunication on the side of Senten Boys. Salazar with a steal. Binato kay Deada. No good. Napalakas dito. Another miscommunication on the side of Senten Boys. Sending back the ball dito sa kupanan ng LYDO. We can see that although Senten Boys has the advantage when it comes to height, hindi natatakot dito ang mga bata ng LYDO to challenge their rebounds. And Jose with that 2 points. Nadala mo? Mamaya niya. Magkano naman yung hindi ko lang qualified pa. O lagi mo naman. Ano naman yun? Hindi naman dadating yung mga sabi ngayon. We have a timeout there by Senten Boys. LYDO enjoying a big 14-point lead against Senten Boys for a third quarter.
Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, dinway ang Steve.
Salazar is blocked here by Plata. And Senten Boys really using that advantage against LYDO. Comes Peña, 2. Back to Peña. We have a foul. Matatawagan dito si Samadan for his first personal foul and warning for penalty, which will send Adarayan on the free throw line. First shot is good for Adarayan. 2 for 2 for Adarayan, cutting down the lead to 12 para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. Salazar on the leather. Gives the ball to Samadan. Madarang to Deada. Salazar fires a long 3. 3 points by Salazar. De Rojas will answer. That's too strong. Last touch dito. Ang mga kupunan na nakaputi. Kaya naman mapupunta sa LYDO ang possession. Samadan on that rebound. And matatawagan dito ng offensive foul si Samadan. Samadan, second personal foul. Foul on jersey number 26. Matatawagan dito si jersey number 26 ng foul. Foul on Tandang, which will bring LYDO to the penalty. De Rojas on the free throw line. First shot is a miss para dito kay De Rojas. Second shot is good para kay De Rojas. LYDO still enjoying a big 14-point lead with Salazar de Ada Martinez contributing to that big 14-point lead para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. 4 seconds to shoot. Madarang tries a 3 and out. De Rojas matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Tandang to Salazar. Salazar has been really a key player para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. But there's a foul during that challenge for the rebound. Tandang again, second personal foul and penalty ang kupunan ng LYDO. Lopez on the free throw line. First shot wala para dito sa kupunan ng Senten Boys. Lopez, 0 out of 2 for that free throw para dito kay Lopez. De Ada setting up the play, gives the ball to Tandang. You see number 20 in trouble. That's out of bounds. Mapupunta na sa Senten Boys ang bola. And mga ka-Velvet, this is just the first game for our 14 under division. Next on our list, our next matchup for today for our 14 under division will be YMCA San Pablo laban dito sa kupunan ng SCBA. Then after that, another 14 under matchup, LYBX LHD versus Blue Steel. That's for our morning run for today, mga ka-Velvet. And Salazar fires that big 3. That shot is brought to you by Brotherhood Barbershop, our official partner para dito sa ating Velvet Intercamp Basketball League. And mga ka-Velvet, ang mga best players natin for every game will receive a voucher, free haircut voucher mula sa Brotherhood Barbershop. Kaya naman maraming salamat Brotherhood Barbershop and Mr. Kevin Eson. Salazar with that 2 points. Nakikita na natin dito sa NHA covered court ang mga bata ng YMCA at ng SCBA just enjoying that sportsmanship, greeting each other, and that's what we want to see. Kaya ginaganap natin itong mga intercamp basketball leagues to deliver, develop that sportsmanship and camaraderie with our players. May mapipituhan ulit dito. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 20, Imbien. That's his first personal foul, and they are still on the penalty. That first shot is good. For Adarayan. Second shot wala. And LYDO still enjoying and securing that big 18-point lead. Laban dito sa kupunan ng Senten Boys with 2 minutes remaining time para sa ating third quarter. And Salazar really playing a big part for this big 18-point lead by LYDO with his 3-point shots and 2-point shots, really delivering his best for his team. Makikita natin on the side of Senten Boys, ipinahinga dito yung isa sa talagang inaasahan ng Senten Boys when it comes to scoring, which is De Rojas. Salazar fires another 3, but he misses this time. Salazar with 10 seconds. Gives the ball to De Ada. Salazar finds jersey number 3, Lapitan, but he is blocked. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation on the side of LYDO. Kaya naman mapapapunta na sa Senten Boys ang possession. Monteron, 2. Plata wasn't able to convert that into a point, but Plata still recovers. May mapipituhan dito sa ilalim. Foul on jersey number 3. First personal foul and a penalty on the side of LYDO. Two shots para dito kay Lopez. One minute remaining time para dito sa ating third quarter. Tapi ka ng bola, agawa ng bola, mapapupunta sa Senten Boys. Plata. May tawid. That's out of bounds, but the ball will remain sa kupunan ng Senten Boys with 16 seconds to shoot. No good. And Lopez really using his strength there. Monteron. Mapipituhan na dito ng out of bounds si Plata. And last 30 seconds para sa ating third quarter. De Ada. Tandang. To De Ada. Lapitan. Out of bounds. Senten Boys ball with 11 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Comes Plata. Plata is fouled. A foul on Abinho, sending Plata back to the free throw line para sa Senten Boys. First shot, in and out para dito kay Plata. Second shot is good for Plata. And last 4 seconds para sa ating third quarter. De Ada Wellness. And that's it for third quarter. LYDO still
Hustle hard, wag kang tamad, hindi pensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaan naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. O pensang parang yung kalbo na lag.
And we are back to the ball game for 14th final quarter. Bakbakan sa pagitan ng LYDO at nitong Senten Boys. Mapipituhan dito na 8-second violation itong kupunan ng LYDO. Deada with 10 seconds to shoot. Abinho to jersey number 4. No good. Rebound mapapapunta dito. Still by LYDO. Tapi ka ng bola. Mapapalabas. Mapupunta sa Senten Boys. We have a substitution. Manalo will be deployed back inside. And Jose will be back to the bench. De Rojas. De Rojas is blocked, but there is a foul by number 6, De Ada. Sending back De Rojas to the free throw line. De Rojas' first shot is good. Two for two para dito kay De Rojas. LYDO still enjoying an 11-point lead against Senten Boys. De Ada to Tige. De Ada nakalusot. Well, wasn't able to get that basket, but on offensive rebound is good for De Ada. That's too strong for Senten Boys. Fast break for Tige. No good. Foul again on jersey number 57, Gutierrez. First personal foul and 13 foul para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. And LYDO will deploy back Samadan and Madarang inside. Plata. No good. Here's number 6 there, giving the ball to De Rojas. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa kupunan ng LYDO. Samadan nakalusot and gets that basket. Matatawagan dito ang foul, jersey number 6, De Ada. That's his third personal and warning for penalty, sending back De Rojas for 2 shots. Second shot is good para dito kay jersey number 8, Zion De Rojas. De Ada gives the ball back to Kobe. Kobe fires a big 3, no good. Samadan, nawala ang bola. De Rojas to Plata. Plata dumidiskarte. Plata gives the ball to Lescano and gets that basket. Napababa na dito ng Senten Boys. 10 ang kalamangan ng LYDO, and De Rojas with that steal gives the ball to Peña. That's in and out. Wala pa din with the follow-up. Salazar to Tige. Tige, that's too strong. De Rojas umaatake and gets that foul. Matatawagan dito si Salazar for his first personal foul and penalty on the side of LYDO. First shot is good. 2 for 2 para dito kay Zion De Rojas. And Coach Jojo will deploy back sa loob si Adrian Martinez, who's been really contributing with the lead of LYD. Oh, speaking of contributing, a big three fresh from the bench by Martinez. Plata against Deada. Gives the ball to Lescano. Back to Plata. Here comes Peña. Answers back with a big three. Salazar to Madarang. Back to Salazar. Out of bounds. Mananatili ang bola sa LYDO. Plata. That lane, no good. Follow-up is good for Plata. Lead is down to 6 para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. And we have a steal by Peña to Plata. Wasn't able to deliver. And we're approaching the 4-minute mark. And we will have a timeout. Sending boys will call a timeout. 74-68. LYDO still enjoying a 6-point lead with 3 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time.
Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka box. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
And we are back to the ball game after the timeout mula sa Senten Boys. We have a foul by jersey number 8 De Rojas. Second personal and second team foul para sa kupunan ng Senten Boys. Ada to Martinez with Samadan with 5 seconds. Out of bounds, mapapabalik na ang bola sa Senten Boys. De Rojas against 2 defenders. We have a foul. Foul on jersey number 6, De Ada. De Rojas on the free throw line. First basket is good. And Diada is now warning for graduate. Dalawa na dito sa kupunan ni Coach Jojo. Ang warning for graduate. We have Diada and Martinez. Martinez fires a big three. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 19, Plata. Pangalawa na to ni Plata and second team foul for Senten Boys. Sending Martinez on the free throw line. 3 shots para dito kay Martinez. That second shot is good for Adrian. who's really been contributing on the side of LYDO for this lead for the game against Senten Boys. He will get that third shot, extending their lead to 7, 76-69. And a steal by Samadan. Samadan, that's too strong. Out of bounds, mapapapunta sa Senden Boys. Zion on the ball. De Rojas is fouled again. Foul on jersey number 11, that's Madarang. Madarang on his third personal foul. De Rojas misses. Second shot is good for De Rojas. Salazar fakes, finds Samadan, spins, lost the ball, recovers. De Ada, 10 seconds to shoot. Gives the ball to Martinez, also fakes. Matatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 19, Plata. Third personal foul and 13th foul for Senten Boys. Shot clock at 14 para dito sa kupunan ng LYDO. De Ada finds Salazar. Samadan with 5 seconds. Martinez fires. No good. De Rojas on a fast break is fouled. Technical foul will be called sa kupunan ng Senten Boys. And we will have an official's review for that last play or last foul by Samadan. Samadan gets his third personal foul on that play. Martinez misses that technical shot. And matatawagan dito si Samadan ng unsportsmanlike foul during that last play. So he will be out of the ball game for today. 2 shots plus ball possession, and De Rojas was able to deliver that 2 shots. Ball possession ng Senten Boys. And Senten Boys was able to cut that lead now down to 4. And we're now down to our last 2 minutes. De Rojas fires a big 3, no good. Rebound goes to Manalo. 2 points by Manalo, and it is now down to 2. But De Alda was able to answer back. Balik sa 4. And out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Senten Boys. What a matchup ang pinapakita dito ng magkabilang panig. Out of bounds, mapapapunta na sa LYDO ang bola. That's too strong for it. Tige, but De Ada is there. Salazar to De Ada. Finds Madarang. Senten Boys ball. Plata. Last 1 minute mark for 4th quarter. Out of bounds. Ball will remain on the side of Senten Boys with 8 seconds to shoot para sa Senten Boys. No good. They add on that rebound. And Tige gets that basket and will force Senten Boys to use their last timeout.
Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang
And we are back to the ball game. ...40 seconds na natitira para sa huling bahagi ng bakbakan. De Ada delivering a big 2 points. And a steal. Foul on jersey number 19, Plata. Plata for his 4th personal foul warning for Graduate. Last 25 seconds. Escosura maglalabas ang bola. Escosura, 10 seconds to shoot. That's too strong. Foul on jersey number 8, De Rojas, for his 3rd personal foul penalty for Senten Boys. 12 seconds left for our 4th and final quarter. Last 5 seconds. Peña fires, and that's it for fourth quarter winner of the game, LYDO. And our best player of the game is jersey number 14, Kobe James Salazar. Makakatanggap dito si Kobe ng gift voucher mula sa Brotherhood Barbershop. And next game for today for 14 under is YMCA against SCBA, and we will be back, mga kaliga.
Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang